Hey there, Principal Charles. Thank you so much for logging on this morning.
We're thrilled to be here to speak with you about all things Kolter.
Yes. So as you know, your campus was chosen as part of our Campus Close-Up series. We're going to be at your school all this week, talking about all the great things about your school and about your campus, all the programs there and whatnot. But talk to me. Tell me, how's the beginning of the school year treating you?
It's been great. We've got some new teachers on campus. We, of course, have new faces in our kinder classes and pre-K classes. But truth be told, I think this was one of our best starts of the year yet. And, you get that feedback when teachers tell you, hey, it didn't even feel like the beginning of the year. You kind of pat yourself on the back and think, hey, maybe we're doing something good over here. So we're in the swing of things, and it's been great. It's been a strong start. We're excited for the year ahead.
That's awesome. For people who are not familiar with your campus and your school, talk to me about your campus culture. What's it like stepping into Kolter Elementary?
It's a magical place. So Kolter's a foreign language magnet school, so all of our kids take Spanish, French, or Mandarin, and that starts in pre-K, with pre-K kids taking French. So we've got this rich cultural program, more of like a cultural exposure experience that kids get all through fifth grade. And I think that sort of experience that kids get here sort of sets us apart from a traditional, magnet school. And we're in the heart of the Meyerland area. We've got a full, busy after-school program included in the school day. And yeah, it's a great place to thrive and to be a Kolter kid.
That's amazing. With all those programs and everything happening at your school, I would imagine you have a lot of community support. Talk to me about, I've heard that your PTA or PTO is pretty active there, right?
It's something we're very, very proud of. We're aware of the successes here, and I'm the first to say we're also very aware that the success comes with everyone sort of owning their role here at the school and in the community. And yes, we are in hand in hand in partnership with PTO, all things, the best for kids. And that comes with a very full social calendar through PTO, some fundraising through PTO, but mostly they're very hands-on. There's never a day that parents aren't here in classrooms, whether they're reading to kids or making copies or stuffing Tuesday folders. We're successful because we're all hands on deck.
Very, very nice. Well, last question here. Like I said, we're going to be at your campus all this week talking about all these great stories. But last question here. What do you want maybe your parents and your families and your students to know as we've already started this year, but as we continue this year? What do you want them to know? What message for them?
The message is we're full steam ahead, taking Kolter from being a really great school to being an excellent school. That's the plan for the year ahead.
Wonderful. Sounds great. Well, like I said, we'll be at your campus all this week. Thank you again for hopping on this call, and I can't wait to be there.
We're excited to see you guys.
All righty. Well, have a good one. Thank you so much.
Thank you.